Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to delete your YouTube history step by step. Whether you want to clear your watch history, search history, or both, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Open the YouTube app or go to youtube.com in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select your data in YouTube. On the History page, you'll see your watch and search history. If you want to delete specific videos, click Manage your YouTube Watch History. This will take you to the History page for your selected category, either watched or searched. Click the cross next to the item. To delete everything at once, look for the Delete button, then choose Delete All Time. Confirm your choice in the pop-up and click Delete. To stop YouTube from recording new activities, click on Saving your YouTube history. Click Turn Off, and a pop-up will appear. Click Pause to confirm. You can set up auto-deletion for your YouTube history. Click on the auto-delete option, choose a time period, such as 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months, after which your history will be automatically deleted. Once you select your preferred time frame, click Next to confirm, and YouTube will automatically delete your history after the selected period. And that's it. Your YouTube history is now cleared, and you're all set to start fresh. It's a simple process to help maintain your privacy and keep your recommendations relevant. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.